Hey everybody. So for the most part, we're kind of doing a Soleares theme with this particular monthly workout. So I have quite a bit of Soleares material for you. And so this is no different. This Alzapua technique, we've done lots of it. There's tons of material already on Patreon. In particular, look at the quick study work for Pulgar and Alzapua, and then all kinds of other workouts and stuff that we have up there already, okay? So, but you look at that, you still have questions, email me, let me know what questions. I'm happy to get back to you. Send me questions, okay? I want you to know that this Alzapua is all thumb, there's no pull-off, okay? So I really want you to work on the technique as described in other stuff, okay? So I have it at 76. And since it's 12-beat compás, I will go 1, 2, 3, and then we'll start on the 1. So that way we start on the 1 of the compás, okay? All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So it's all thumb. I don't use anything other than my thumb to pick all those notes, okay? So now I'm going to take this up to 92, okay? Which is a nice little, a solid Solea tempo, okay? Again, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, okay? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. So that's a nice fill Alzapua to do something after like a remate or whatever, or to build up a remate. We're going to take it to 104 now, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right. I hope you enjoyed the work. Sorry I was a little distracted there. I got a cramp in my, called your adductor, adductor. I went a little hard in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu last night, and so I'm starting to cramp up a little bit. So I got to hydrate, fellow guitarists, okay? Let me know what questions you have. Enjoy the work, and I'll look forward to hearing from you, okay? Bye-bye.